Hi everybody, I'm Simon from VIEZU and you join us in the workshop today to look at this wonderful, monstrously powerful Jaguar XFR. Now this is a slightly rarer one. This is the 8-speed 5-litre supercharged, running from 2013 to 2015. Very commonly found in the pre-facelift versions from 2009 onwards, as our own XFR is, that's already had a world of upgrades put on there, and we'll have some more videos on that soon. But back to this one in question. This customer has been into us before and had pretty much every option he can have ticked and fitted, he's had done. Then of course we brought along a Harrop TVS 2300 and he had to scratch that itch and get that fitted to the car as well. So this came into us running 657 horsepower on the dyno, even though it's 28 degrees outside and nearly 30 in the workshop. Just shows how good these engines are, with a good tune on them from VIEZU with all the upgraded components. The Paramount Performance cold air intake helping massively with these hot conditions. So all the upgrades on there, as I said previously, upper pulley, lower pulley, all the software we can do to the car. Now it's got the Harrop TVS 2300 fitted. So we've got our bespoke pulley on the top for that, still the large crank pulley on the bottom, and our custom belt now matching the two together, so they're nice, geared, flowing smoothly under the right amount of tension so there's no slip on that charger, and it is due to go back on the dyno later on today with the final figures in and around above, or north I should say, of 700 horsepower this should be running.